how to turn on or off like notifications on TikTok using your PC. And okay guys, here in your PC, okay, you'll have to do in your TikTok homepage, okay, you'll have to do is go to left side and click the profile. Here in profile, go to gear icon. Here in gear icon, okay, here you can see the push notification. Okay, you can click this and you can see here in push notification the interaction. So you can click the arrow down button on the right side of this interaction and you can see here the likes, and the likes is on. So if you want to turn off the like notification, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And if you want to turn on the like notification, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And I decide to turn off the like notification on my TikTok account. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off like notification in your TikTok account using PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.